Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and I have a new Itch to Stitch pattern release for you. Kenneth has been on a roll. This is the Sibiu, which is a city in Romania, top, and it has a couple of different versions. Very, very quick and easy make. This took no time at all. So excited about this one because I think it's really cute and different for a t-shirt, but also really easy and really quick to make. Okay, my partner in crime is wanting to join me. Gidget says hello. She's been here for the whole pattern test. Okay, the Sibiu top. This is a top that is a grown-on sleeve. So it's got kind of the bat wing grown-on sleeve situation. It comes with a 3/4 length, which is kind of a shorter cuff. I don't know what that is. Maybe 2 inches, 2-inch cuff for like a 3/4 length, or you can go all the way to the wrist, and she's got pattern pieces for a much longer cuff that takes it down to the wrist. I've clearly made the 3/4 length one. It has a band here at the bottom, although the top itself does kind of, I mean, you've got shaping in the waist, like it comes in underneath here into the waist, and then has the option for either a plain neckband, which I've chosen here, or a cowl neck. So it's a great pattern for really with whatever hemisphere, whatever your season is right now. Obviously you can make this in lighter weight fabrics, and it would be great with shorts or a skirt. Flowy skirt, you know, if you have a more bohemian vibe or boho kind of vibe, nice flowy maxi skirt with a top like this I think would be adorable. I mean, it's just very versatile. Or even in the winter months, you make this in a more snuggly, sweatery knit, and you've got yourself kind of a fun, little bit different sweater. And again, it goes together in no time. Now, because of the grown-on sleeve, it is a little bit of a fabric hog, although I don't feel like there was any fabric wasted. You know, sometimes with those big, weird pattern pieces, you feel like, oh my gosh, I have these like really big random scraps, like what am I gonna do? I really didn't feel like that was the case, mostly because I could sandwich in, you know, like the cuff piece in underneath an arm of a shirt, and I was able to come in. Now my pattern fabric is obviously non-directional, but I was able to sandwich in the pattern pieces, folding in fabric to really, I think, make it as economic as possible. And I was actually using offcuts for this. So I used for mine a viscose spandex jersey from Minerva. This is my favorite viscose or rayon spandex jersey. I have bought this in a lot of different colors. I typically use the cotton spandex for most of my stuff when I'm sewing with solid knits, but again, there's a time and a place for viscose or rayon jersey, and not all is created equal. You've got varying degrees of rayon or viscose spandex jerseys, and I really love this one. It has kind of a matte finish. I've made quite a few different things out of this fabric. Again, I've bought quite a few different colors, and it has a ton of different colors that Minerva carries it in. But this is I think it's called Vanilla. I don't know, it's kind of an ivory cream color. But I made my Love Notions Forte top out of this, and then I think I had 3 meters. And I made that Forte top. I made a, oh my gosh, what is the Itch to Stitch tank top? The free one. Can't think of the name of it off the top of my head. I actually don't think I've shown you guys that tank top. I made it kind of at the end of last summer. Anyway, it's the free pattern from Itch to Stitch, and it's their tank top pattern, and I can't remember what it's called. But I made that out of the fabric, and then I had some like a little bit left of the meterage, and then some like weird shaped pieces, but I was able to get this out of it, and I'm so pleased. I've used it all up now. I'm gonna need more. But I really love this color. It's a great neutral for me, and it's my white kind of, and yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to wear this not only through the winter, but also easily into the spring, and probably even the summer too. I find viscose or rayon spandex to be very wearable in warm weather because it kind of has that natural wicking because it's made out of a cellulose fabric and all of that. Anyway, yeah, so I think if you did a sweater net, especially, I think that this needs a little bit of drape. Although if you did something with more body, it would be a statement. So kind of, you know, whatever you're feeling. I love this with something with a bit of drape though. So if you're using a sweater knit with maybe some tinsel in it, or rayon or viscose, something that's gonna make it a little bit heavier and a little bit drapier, I think that with the cowl neck version would be just delightful. Obviously, if you're finding something that's like warm and cuddly, soft against the skin would be lovely. I think a good French terry also, some of the thinner French terries that have some drape to them, some of the French terries that have a little bit of rayon that gives it that weight, I think that would be beautiful. You have like a upscale, a little bit different sweatshirt kind of. Actually, I've got a few French terries in my stash, so this would be lovely as fun to play around with. But yeah, it's just a great, very quick little pattern. Highly recommend. It comes in her full size range. I'll put the bust range here. It's just one front, so that it doesn't have like a full front or a standard front, just because there's so much ease in the top. I made a straight size 8 like I normally do. I think it fits great. I did shorten the body by 1 inch. I do that with pretty much all of my Love Notions patterns because I am very short in the torso, and so it's like a petite adjustment almost. So I did take it up 1 inch at the lengthen and shorten line just in the body, and that's the only alteration I made to this, and I think it is working out really, really well. So yeah, if you're looking for something just a little different, but still beyond basic t-shirt. If you're doing any kind of the capsules with the Everyday Style School, she's always talking about beyond basics, knit tops and stuff or whatever, and this would be a great beyond basic knit top. In fact, who knows, this might be, you know, I mean, it's definitely going to be worn in my winter capsule because this color is in there, but yeah, it could very easily go into the spring as well, I'm sure. Haven't seen what that is yet, but yeah, it's a great little pattern. So there you have it, guys. That is the Sibiu top from Itch to Stitch. Again, a couple of different neckline variations, very quick and easy sew. So yeah, and it'll be on sale for the next week. So if that's something you were interested in, now's a great time to grab that. If you're looking for a little palette cleanser or something to get your Sojo back, I think that this would be a great little project for that. All right, guys. That's all I have. I hope you've enjoyed this little pattern release, and I will see you all next time. Have a good one. Happy sewing. Bye.